As now ChatGPT is out and the world is a different place, many of us have experienced different capabilities of ChatGPT already. We have seen how it can be used in various different applications, how it can change the game. It become even more important for someone like me who is quite passionate about agile ways of working to share with you how agile and AI can work together. I made a video about this last year as well, so here's a new one. My name is Gaurav Rajvanshi. I am co-founder of Advanced Agility and an agile coach and transformation expert. So let's see how agile and AI may complement each other and how can they promote innovation and development together. First of all, we need to have a quick look on agile. What is agile? It's a methodology for some people, it's a way of working for some people, but at the end of the day, it's a mindset. How you approach your stuff that need to be done in short. So what agile emphasis on is making the work tiny, small, iterative so that you can get a quick feedback. You have those loops where you are trying something, experimenting something, and seeing whether it has worked in your favor or not. And if required, you are swiftly adjusting your approach. Though agile is very frequently has been used in software development, but more and more is now going into other areas as well. We have now seen agile being used by HR, by procurement and finance. I've personally used agile in a lot of data driven and artificial intelligence based or business intelligence based programs where you have to do a lot of experiment, where you have to try a lot of new things. You have to do it very quickly. These experiments need to be done quickly and then you need to pivot. If it won't work in your favor, then you have to come up with a new approach, which is basically not possible in the traditional way of working. So now let's look at AI as well very quickly. What is AI or artificial intelligence? So in simple word, AI is the capacity of a machine to carry certain operations that are basic operations which humans can also do, but if machines are doing it, they are doing it even much efficiently, even with more efficiency. There are lots of examples of this, like speech recognition, natural language understanding, decision making, or maybe now what ChatGPT is doing, creating all sort of content and answering your question, and maybe doing homework for kids. I've tried asking ChatGPT to write a poem about an incident that has happened with me and no one else knows about it. And what a great poem ChatGPT has written. My daughter has experimented with it, tried writing a song about a particular topic, and ChatGPT could write the song with the reflection of my daughter's style of writing based on the input, of course, the input given to it. So now how it will work together when everything is done by machine, when everything is done by AI, how then it matters whether agiles talk about iterative way of doing things or feedback loop, anyways done by machines now. Many developers ask me, uh, we are hearing a lot that code will be written by bots in the future. Then what's the point whether we are learning agile or not? Maybe we are not required. That is not correct. There are a lot of aspects that humans will be involved into where machines will not be able to replace us. And primarily how to use the machine, what is the right way to use these machines. So organizations, enterprises, they can benefit from both agile and AI when these two are working together in an integrated way. What agile will do, it will enable teams to react to the changes, to get the fast feedback, And at the same time, AI will automate the repetitive jobs, and it will offer more insightful data for better decision making. Now, in Agile, you need to make quick decisions. Those decisions are taken with a certain aspect of experimentation. Now, if you have right AI and machine learning capabilities in place, you have better data available. That means you can take better decisions. And when you have to take decisions so fast, so quickly, so frequently, taking the right decision can be really, really advantageous. So teams can concentrate on high value tasks, make better judgment as a result of this accurate data. So AI can also be used into agile processes to deliver real-time data feedback to enable the teams to continually improve and make necessary modification. So one example that comes into my mind when I'm talking about it is customer service. More and more AI is getting used into this. There are lots of repetitive questions asked by your customer while they are visiting your portal or they are interacting with your system through some channels. When these customers asking these repetitive questions, AI with their deep learning ability and the natural language processing ability can understand what is the context in which your customer is asking question, and then AI can simply respond to these questions in a way that your customer will get the right input, right data which they need. So you don't need to have a human being sitting there and trying to answer the customer questions. Of course, there might be certain scenario where machine may fail, and at that time is absolutely required to have someone else taking over the machine, the real human being, and answering customer question. But until then, you can keep your staff, your team to get involved into other high value work. So there are a lot more examples like this. We have used AI in the area of insurance. We have used AI in the area of telecom, in the area of retail. We have used AI in a way that literally the voice input or the paper forms filled by the customer has been scanned by the program, and these screen boards, we used to call them screen board, were entering the data into the legacy system on behalf of customer. That's what we were able to do 3 4 years back, but today I think it's going to be even more scarier in a way. Sometimes I feel, but it is what it is. The world has to move on in this direction, and we need to learn all this. So the conclusion is agile and AI is a potent combination that may spur innovation and development of new ideas and new features across the range of industries. Organizations can achieve greater result more effectively, more efficiently, and provide higher value to their customer by combining the advantage of both. So if anyone thinking they are against each other or because of one the other is not required, that's not what I think. They are going to stay together for a long time, and our world is going to be a different world. But most important, we need to keep on learning and upgrading ourselves, whether it's data sciences or agile or artificial intelligence. Whatever is your field, you need to be on your toes and keep on learning. So until my next video, keep learning, stay safe. See ya. This is Gaurav from Advanced Agility. I'll come back soon.